Hey Nash, what should we make?
I'm in the mood for mushrooms and wine. Let's make a healthy-ish version of chicken marsala.
All right, let's make chicken marsala. Welcome back to Chaos Kitchen, where we make chicken less boring. Today we're gonna make a classic. We're gonna make chicken marsala. It should be really good, healthy-ish, and come together really quick. It's a one-pan proposition. Could be an easy weeknight meal for you and your family. It's also kind of fancy, or you could pass it off as fancy, so it could be a good date night meal too. Anyways, without further ado, let's go. And we start by dicing a shallot. I would say 1 large or 2 small. Then we thin slice some cremini mushrooms, and we fine chop some parsley. Then we get out some sort of a shallow bowl, and we add a 1/4 cup of cornstarch. If all you have is flour, that'll work. A teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of pepper. Get that combined. Then we take some chicken thighs, and we just sort of dredge them in this stuff. In a hot pan on medium heat, put in about 2 tablespoons of oil and a tablespoon of butter. Let that melt. And once that's all melted, we take our chicken, and we lay them in here, presentation side down. And we're just looking for a bit of a sear on both sides. So just like a nice golden brown sear. You don't necessarily need to cook your chicken all the way through at this point, because we are gonna put it back in the pan once we made the sauce. So we're just looking for that, probably about 3 to 4 minutes per side. And once we got a nice golden brown, then we go ahead and flip them all and just do the same thing again. Then once you have a nice sear on both sides, then we go ahead and pull our chicken and set it aside. And leaving the heat on, we add 2 more tablespoons of butter. Oh, come on, unstick, unstick. Once that's nice and melted, then we add our mushrooms. Get those guys all stirred around so they can all benefit from that nice butter. If you have any bigger pieces, you can kind of break them up in the pan. It's not really required, but whatever, do whatever you want. Let me just let these guys cook because they got a lot of liquid, so we want to kind of sweat that liquid out. So just probably, I don't know, 3 or 4 minutes, just until they start to kind of get a little bit more color and most of the liquid's kind of gone. Once the moisture is mostly gone and your mushrooms have some good color, we add about 4 cloves of garlic minced and our shallots, or shallots as Gordon Ramsay would say.
What are you?
An idiot sandwich.
Idiot sandwich what?
An idiot sandwich, Chef Ramsay.
Get that all stirred in, and we just let that cook for another minute or 2. And then we add 3/4 cup of Marsala wine, a cup of chicken broth, and a 1/2 cup of heavy cream. And we stir all this together until we have a lovely brownish, tannish liquid, whatever. It'll be good, I promise. You want to bring this up to a boil, and then you want to just kind of scrape the bottom of your pan, so any fond that's stuck to the bottom, we kind of deglaze that. Once we have a nice boil again, we reduce the heat to low, and we just let this guy simmer until it reduces by about half. So that should take probably 10 or 15 minutes. And it doesn't have to be exact, so you don't have to like measure it. But if you're gonna walk away, just try to remember how much liquid was in there. And for now, we just wait. And once your sauce is thickened nicely and reduced by about half, and you can kind of drag a spoon across and it doesn't fill in right away, then you're kind of where you want to be. And then we just take our chicken guys and we lay them in there. And then we just want to spoon some of this sauce over the top of our guys so they're totally covered. And then you just let your chicken simmer in the sauce for another 2 to 3 minutes. And once your chicken is all cooked through and the sauce is all simmering nicely on there, we go ahead and kill the heat and remove our guys. And here's our guys all ready, well, almost all ready to serve. Just go ahead and garnish them with a little bit of that parsley. I'm not very good at this, but oh well. It's the thought that counts. Gotta have a little greens, right? Usually I say greens to pretend it's healthy. This actually isn't that unhealthy. We got the cream and stuff, but other than that, it's mostly just protein and mushrooms. And there we have our chicken marsala. And it's time for a bite. Cheers. The chicken is juicy and tender. The sauce is amazing. It's rich, it's creamy, it's savory, but it's got a little bit of a hint of a sweet or a twang or something from the wine. Really, really, really good. And you can whip this up pretty quick, pretty healthy for the most part. I mean, it's healthy-ish. Healthier than a lot of things we make on here. You could make it for a date, or you could make it for your kids, your family. I think everyone would love it. Out of 10. And hey, that's what I think, but let's see what Nash thinks. Hey bud, how you doing?
I'm good, man. Just been trying to figure out why my feet smell like corn chips.
Well, check it out. We made this chicken marsala you wanted, and of course we have a dog-friendly version just for you. Well, here you go. What do you think?
Oh, wow, that's good. It's creamy, rich, juicy, and just packed with flavor. Honestly, I'd eat chicken raw, but congrats on making chicken delicious and not boring.
Anything you want to say to your fans?
Defeat is a state of mind. No one is ever defeated until defeat has been accepted as a reality.
Nash approves, I approve. Another great dish. A healthy-ish, easy to make, delicious recipe, so go make it. Thank you so much for watching. Really appreciate you all. Love you all. If you wouldn't mind taking a second, go like, share, hype, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, all that good stuff. If there's anything you want me to make, you want me and Nash to taste, go ahead and drop that down in the comments. And hey, if you like this video, go check out some of our other videos, somewhere over here, I think. And just remember, cook more, eat better, embrace the chaos. That's it for now, folks. Until next time, be good and peace.